Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to connect Stripe to Shopify. First, log in to your Shopify dashboard. Look to the bottom left corner of your dashboard and click on Settings. In the Settings menu, find and click on Payments. This is where you can manage the payment providers for your store. If you try to add a payment method and search for Stripe, you will notice that Stripe does not appear as an option. Shopify does not show Stripe separately because their default payment system called Shopify Payments is actually powered by Stripe. This means that when you activate Shopify Payments, you are already using Stripe behind the scenes, even if you do not see it listed. For some countries, Stripe will appear as a standalone option because Shopify Payments is not available there. In that case, you can connect Stripe directly from this menu. If your country does not have Shopify Payments, you will simply see Stripe listed, and you can set it up by clicking on it and following the instructions. However, if you are in a country where Shopify Payments is available, you cannot add Stripe manually because it is already built into Shopify Payments. Just simply click on the Activate Shopify Payments and your Shopify account will be connected to Stripe.